sure you've heard of that Buhari has finally died. You know, Nigeria government has finally agreed and announced that Buhari is dead, and he died in London. Of course, he did not build hospitals here. Now, we will look at in this video why Buhari died. Why is it at this moment that they are announcing officially? Of course, we know what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has said for long about the real Buhari and Jibril from Sudan and all the rest. Let us now look at how the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu caused the death of Buhari at this particular moment. How Buhari died because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Of course, you already know that here in Noble Media, if you have not subscribed, just click on subscribe. We give you the information as it's breaking, relevant information as it is dropping. Let's look at this statement. Just follow me. Let me give you exactly what's happened the way it is. Nnamdi Kanu's brother reveals shocking reason why Buhari died. Why is it at this moment that they are telling us that Buhari is dead? Why not say it many years ago? Now let's look at this. Brother to the leader, that is Nnamdi Kanu's brother to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is Prince Kanu, has finally revealed why former president of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, died. Record that report had emerged on Sunday that Buhari died in London. We here in Noble Media already gave you the video detailing everything about his death, where he died. If you have not seen it, you can go over to our channel and look at it. In the statement released on his official Facebook page, brother that is Kanu's brother, said, Muhammadu Buhari died because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu vowed to call him as a witness in his case. I still have respect for the dead. He's saying, you know, Kanu has said that Buhari had died many years ago, right? And he was buried in a shallow grave. Now, as Nnamdi Kanu's court case is progressing, Nnamdi Kanu's vowed that he is going to call Buhari to court. And of course, you know, if he calls him to court and the one that comes is not the real Buhari, everything will be exposed. So it is better that the Nigerian government quickly says that he has died, so that there will be no one to be called. Nigeria Attorney General and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami, SAN, on Tuesday, June 29, 2021, confirmed that Kanu had been rearrested. Record that Nnamdi Kanu was rearrested in Kenya by Buhari's administration after the initial arrest before they went and did the Operation Python Dax in his house, which ultimately led to the death of the parents of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, right? They later captured him illegally, kidnapped him from Kenya, brought him down to Nigeria, and he has been in the SS custody till then. We must move on now. If you want Nnamdi Kanu to be free, please come under the comment of this video and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because I believe that victory is near. Victory for Nnamdi Kanu is near. The enemies are falling one by one. The enemies are dying one by one. During Buhari's regime, at a joint press briefing with the State Security Service (SSS), known as Department of State Service (DSS) in Abuja, former AGF Malami said Kanu was rearrested and returned to Nigeria on Sunday, June 27, 2021, many years ago. He did not, however, give details of where Kanu was arrested and the diplomatic collaboration that may have been involved in the operation. Of course, you know, Nigerian things are not always very straight. According to him, the IPOB, that is Indigenous People of Biafra leader, was arrested through collaborative efforts of Nigerian intelligence and security services. That is how they bundled Kanu and brought him here. I mean, freedom fighting is a human right, right? The right for self-determination is a human right, and that's what Kanu has been fighting for. Kanu, who is being prosecuted on charges of treasonable felony, was thereafter arraigned at the Federal High Court in Abuja. I must commend the IPOB family. I must commend Ndi Igbo for many Ndi Igbo, not the political leaders. for standing behind Nnamdi Kanu. Of course, we know that a few days ago, Peter Obi also called for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you want him to be released, please don't keep quiet. Come under the comment of this video and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We need at least 1,000 persons to sign this petition, because the more we sign it, the more the world pays attention. Come under the comment of this video and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. It was the first court appearance since he fled Nigeria in September 2017 after an invasion of his home by the military in Afaruku near Umuahia in Abia State. Let us not forget that Kanu did not dodge the court charges after the first time he was captured. It was Nigerian military that invaded his home illegally, meaning to kill him. So he had to leave. Kanu had arrived in Kenya and settled down in a house. On June 19, 2021, he drove himself in a car to the international airport to meet a person arriving in the country for a high-level IPOB meeting. Let's move on. If you have not typed free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, please don't leave this video without typing it. And don't forget to invite people to also do the same under this video. It is very important. The world must hear our voice. He drove into the underground parking lot at the airport and was arrested before exiting the car. Here's how they illegally arrested the IPOB leader. He was taken to a house and brutalized for 8 days. You know, in this country, there's they don't consider what they do. Of course, they know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not just a Nigerian, he's also a British citizen. Why the Nigerian authorities perfected how to forcefully relocate him to Nigeria, which is illegal, by the way. And Kenya has also come out, Kenyan court has also come out to say that the way Nnamdi Kanu was treated in Kenya, that it was illegal. It was illegal. It was against international standard. And have awarded damages to him, saying that the Kenyan government should pay Nnamdi Kanu 120 million naira as compensation. Can you imagine that? So this is part of the reason why we are believing that any moment from now, Nnamdi Kanu should be a free man. Do you want him to be free? Let us know in the comment section. If you don't want him to be free, tell us your reason in the comment section. He was traveling on a British passport, not a Nigerian passport, as alleged by Malami. He was brought into Nigeria on a Saturday and arraigned on Monday. Buhari, upon learning of his abduction, decided to cancel his trip to the UK to manage the diplomatic fallout at home instead of going to London. We must continue. Kanu was interrogated in the presence of his lawyers in the DSS office in Abuja. The Nigerian government didn't get his passport, laptop, and 3 major phones. He was taken out of Kenya without passing through immigration. Nigeria didn't get Nnamdi Kanu the right way. Right now, one of the arch enemies of Nnamdi Kanu, Muhammadu Buhari, has gone down. Of course, officially, because Kanu has already told the world of all evidence to prove that Buhari is long dead, right? But the one they believe the Nigerian government has insisted is the real Buhari has now died officially and will be covered in the ground, will be buried very, very soon. Within the time you are watching this video, he may already have been buried. This is the situation. Kanu is winning his cases one by one, and very soon victory will be announced. If you believe it, let's see you in the comment section. Comment free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and not only you, gather your fans, your followers, your family, people that believe in freedom. Remember, we don't do this just because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We do this because anywhere there is injustice, we must speak out. That is our goal here in Noble Media. We give you the accurate information, and we believe that the more we keep saying it, the more freedom for the oppressed will be attained. Go ahead and do the needful. Type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Keep making effort in your own little way without being violent. Make effort for freedom. Speak out for freedom, whether it is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or whether it is for any less privileged person. We must keep talking, whether it happens in Nigeria, in Kenya, in UK, in Britain, anybody, whether it is a male or female, a child, we must speak out. We must not keep quiet. The oppressed must not keep quiet. If you have not typed Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, do it now. If you have not invited people to watch the video and do the same, please share this video. Click on like this video, then click on share. Share this video, copy the link, paste it on WhatsApp group, paste it on Facebook, paste it on Telegram, paste it on family group. Let your followers, your fans get the link and encourage them to watch and type Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, click on subscribe. It's free. Click on subscribe right now. There is an important video on the screen. Click on it now and watch.